Okay, so for this lesson we're going to do a ratio recap. The question here, David and Fred share sweets in the ratio 4 to 5. If there are 36 sweets in the bag, how many does Fred get? So we're going to break it up into 4 and 5. So there's 36 sweets, that means the whole total is 36. Now if we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes, let's do 36 divided by 9, which is 4. That means I'm going to put 4 into each box. So if we add them up, that means 4 4s are 16 and 20. Okay, so David gets 16 and Fred gets 20. Sarah and Bonnie share toys in the ratio 2 to 7. If Sarah gets 6 toys, how many does Bonnie get? So 2 to 7. Okay, so that means this here's Sarah. And Sarah's got 6. That means that in each box goes a number 3. Okay, so we've got 3 in all the rest. And that means that Bonnie got 7 times 3, which is 21. A third of the pupils in Year 9 are girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? So 1/3, and the rest must be 2/3. So essentially the ratio is 1 to 2. Okay. And finally, a bag contains black and blue counters in the ratio 2 to 5. If there are 12 more blue counters in the bag, how many actually counters in the bag altogether? Okay, sorry. So the ratio is 2 to 5. There's 12 more blue counters. So if these are the black and these are the blue, these 3 here represent the more ones, okay, and these add up to 12. So we'll do 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that means that 4 goes in every single one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 altogether. So 4 7s are 28. So there's 28 counters. Alright guys?